If written reviews are not convincing people anymore, watch this. Because Go High Level just made collecting video testimonials incredibly easy. Getting a business owner to take out their phone, record a video, and then send it to you, honestly, this was almost impossible. People get busy, they hesitate, they don't want to deal with file sizes, uploads, or sending links. But now, Go High Level has finally made video testimonials something any customer can record with zero friction. Video testimonials is a brand new upgrade inside reputation management audio. Instead of relying only on text reviews, you can now collect real face-to-face video testimonials from your customers and showcase them directly with your written reviews. And here you get 4 major upgrades. Video record, customers can record a testimonial directly through your Testimonial Collector Link. Video display, all videos appear inside your dashboard with filters and sorting. Video player, play any video instantly, no third-party tools needed. Video showcase, display these videos inside your review widget for maximum trust. And now let's dive into how to set it up, and first of all, where to find it, because this is not live yet. This is in beta version and we'll have to find it in labs. So first of all, in order to find it, we'll have to switch to agency view, go to settings, then labs, and you will find these 2 options, agency and sub account. You need to go to sub account, and this is the first update written over here. So you just need to activate this. I already activated this, so I just switched back to my sub account, go to reputation and video testimonials. You can see that. And then the first thing I should do is to create a collector. In order to create a collector, there are 4 options. This is the welcome page. So this is how it looks like. This is a live preview over here. You can see for desktop and mobile version. You can upload an image over here. It can be you or any colleague or your company logo as well. So after filling all the necessary details, you just need to confirm them and save it. You can name the template if you want and just go back. So this template is ready. You can send it like send review request, or we can copy the link and send it to any of our clients. So this will look like this. They will click on this and they have the option to record and upload. They have both options, and when they record or upload, so we will ask them, for example, let me upload any of the video. Once we confirm it, it will ask us about our details, name, email, phone number. So we can click on this, submit it, and all done. And when we go back and we see on the responses tab, we will see the responses we have just submitted. See, these are 2 responses. And now the next thing is widgets. How we can show them on our website. It is similar to our other review widgets as we used to do for the written reviews. So you can edit it, you can apply any style, whatever you like, and you can save it, and then you will get the code and you can apply it to any of the website or any funnel, anywhere you want. So this is how new clients will experience that your video reviews are being placed on your website. So it is a lot more credible than before, and it can help you build trust among your clients. And if you need help setting this up, Xort Logix has you covered. Contact us.